When you leave things outside, they run the risk of going rusty. Try FILA No Rust, the solution for eliminating all stains caused by rust. Simple to use. Apply it to the stain, covering it completely. The marked area will quickly turn purple in color. Leave for about 15 minutes. Remove any product residue and rinse with clean water. Visible results from the very first treatment. Thanks to its non-acid formula, FILA No Rust is also suitable for delicate surfaces such as polished marble, and it is exceptionally cost-effective. Its viscous consistency means you'll need less product and it won't run off the surface you're treating. You'll also save time. FILA No Rust is a solution that gives immediate results. It is the ideal stain remover for all surfaces like stone, porcelain tiles and terracotta. FILA No Rust, the solution that eliminates all stains caused by rust. Available from FILA stockists.